Hello everyone, welcome back to the Xiaomi Theme Hub YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to share how to install Chinese themes using a backup file on Xiaomi Global phones. For example, let's take this theme. This is a Xiaomi device running the China ROM, and the theme has an iOS 26 style design. This device is running HyperOS version 2.0.207, which is the China region ROM build. This is the theme we're going to install on a Xiaomi Global device. It's only available on the China ROM. On Xiaomi Global devices, you won't be able to find this theme inside the theme app. Now, let's bring this theme to your Xiaomi Global device together. This Xiaomi of mine is a Xiaomi 14T, running HyperOS version 2.0.204 with the global region code. Of course, with the global ROM version, we won't be able to find any Chinese mainland themes on this device. We can't find the OS 26 theme like on the other China ROM device. To install this theme on a Xiaomi Global device, we need to follow a different method. First, open Settings, go to About Phone, then open the Backup and Restore feature on your Xiaomi Global device. In the backup interface, uncheck all the default system options. Then, select Other System App Data and tick Theme App Data to back it up. Wait for the backup process to complete. The speed will depend on how many themes are currently stored on your phone. Once the backup is complete, you can exit the screen. Next, open the Xiaomi File Manager, then navigate to the folder MIUI Backup Backup. Filter the list of folders using these criteria. If your device is running HyperOS 2.0.2x or later, the backup will be exported as a zip file like this. If it's a lower version, the backup will be exported as a folder like the one shown above. You need to tap on the zip file to extract it only for HyperOS 2.0.2x and above. Once extracted, you'll have a folder with the same name. Now you can delete the zip file. Next, download my backup file from the video description. This is the backup file containing the OS 26 China theme data. Press and hold the downloaded file. You can either move or copy it. Open the path MIUI Backup Backup, then go to the latest backup folder in the list. Move the downloaded file into this folder. When a message appears saying that a file with the same name already exists, choose Replace to overwrite the original file. Exit the File Manager, open Settings, then go back to the Backup and Restore section on your phone. Switch to the Restore tab, then select the most recent backup data from the list. Before restoring, let's take a look at the themes that are currently available on the phone. I have a total of 8 themes, just like in the video. Now tap on Restore and wait for the restoration process to complete. Restoration completed. Exit the settings and open the Themes app to check. At this point, you'll see the new theme appear, while all your previous themes remain unchanged. My theme app is still on the global version. Now, you just need to apply and start using this theme. With this method, you can apply the theme permanently without it reverting to the default. This theme is quite beautiful, featuring an iOS 26 inspired design with customizable widgets. The lock screen includes multiple screen wake-up effects. To change the lock screen wallpaper and access more advanced options, open the theme app again, go to Customize Theme, then select Lock Style and choose Custom. To change the wallpaper, tap to select the second option, then choose a wallpaper from your device below. With this option, you can change the text below the battery widget on the lock screen. To enable the widget, open the lock screen customization section and turn off the switch to activate the widget feature. With this method, we can bring China-only mainland themes to Xiaomi Global devices completely without rooting the phone. If you love Chinese-style themes, make sure to subscribe to the channel to get the latest backup files and theme updates. Thanks for watching the video. See you in next video coming soon.